What's going on, YouTubers, Gunners? You're probably wondering, Aki, where the hell are you? I'm in Chinatown right now, and I got a special treat for you. We brought Kobe down here because there's an awesome mural down here on Eldridge Street, and we're taking a photo shoot today for SuperStreet. Yeah, we made it, Gunners. We made SuperStreet. Kobe made it. They reached out. They've got an article written out. They just need some photos. We hired a photographer, my man Yarel. Real good kid. Solid work. He actually came in second place to our photo bounty from H-Day a couple of years ago. So the car's over there. I'm gonna walk you over there. We did some crazy gangster shh, and we drove it right on the sidewalk. So let me go show you guys, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Nothing better than the city, guys. Nothing better than the city. So we ended up parking we didn't bring the trailer because it's just way too big. So I rented a U-Haul dolly. I was so grateful that they were open today. But you could see Kobe right there on the sidewalk. They're getting their photo shoot on. But you've got to see this mural, man. You've got to see this mural. My boy Yarel here, switching up lenses. He's about to kill it. Big shout out to my boy Trappy's here.
Yo.
So look at that mural, man. How Kobe looking from right here, guys? How Kobe looking? Like a unit. Don't worry, you good, ma. You good. Yeah, you know, you good. Gigi, God rest her soul. Kobe, God rest his soul. But you see what we're doing here. This is exciting. So we're like almost perfect of taking this photo shoot, and this CRV keeps blocking Yarel. So we're like literally hoping that this owner comes and just pulls back like 10 feet, and then we'll have this whole thing right here. But this is a pretty big ticket I'm gonna get if the cops come right now. I'm on the sidewalk with it. But how awesome is this mural, man? Big shout out to whoever created this beautiful thing right here. This is an awesome mural. But Kobe looks good right here with him. All three of y'all.
Y'all got your own body shop or some shit?
It's a wrap here, guys. We took our photo shoot down in Chinatown over here, and we're loading up the car. Now we got to find some good food before we head home. We're starving, and we're in the best place possible to eat some good food, so let's try to track down something. But Kobe's done with his photo shoot. Finished. Wow, that was sketchy. Thank God we did it on Labor Day, because there's not a lot of traffic, and honestly, the cops are real cool around here too. They didn't give us a hard time, but we had to raise it up because of the lip down there. So this kid's gonna kill it. I guarantee you guys are gonna love these photos. Badass is this painting right here. On Bleecker and Carmine, man. This is top 3 best pizzas in New York. We're going to Joe's. So the atmosphere is, what's up? How much I want? Oh, it's not for sale. You can win it for free. Yeah. September 18th, keepgunning.com.
That's my birthday.
Yeah, there you go. Happy birthday.
Yes, sir,
Awesome.
baby.
Yes,
The men are out here for the cause.
Yes, sir. You know it. We're here at Joe's, and this place is all that. Top 5. That slice right there. Oh, you know it's good when that cheese is like that, Trappy. Ooh, that's heavy garlic.
Remember the time you was making the steak heavy on the garlic?
Heavy garlic, man. It makes it work. Pizza is hey, hold on. There's a huge difference between New York pizza, yeah. Let's see. This is one bite. Everybody knows the rules. How is it?
Pretty good.
My man. Trappy?
Alright.
It's aight?
No. Crust and bottom. Come here.
Look at
So
the flop.
the mic gotta hear this.
Fire.
That's good pizza right there.
It's fire.
Talk to me.
Good slice. I'm trying Sicilian.
Sicilian, let me see. Good fluff on there. Good fluff to like.
You know when a Sicilian's good? When they coat the bottom with olive oil. See that? That's all olive oil right there.
One bite, everyone knows rules.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
Second best Sicilian after DeFara's. Sorry about that. Back at the garage, guys, and we're done for the day. We had a good outing. My boy Yarel held it down, man. Real talented individual. You'll see these photos surfacing the web in a couple of weeks. Yeah, now we just have to start driving. We got to polish up the car, start driving it, and go on from there. Keep you guys in the loop. Remember, September 18th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're about to film Guncast right now, so it is pretty busy over here. September 18th, KEEPGUNNIN.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You go in there, you buy a bag, and good luck, man. If Kobe belongs to you, it belongs to you. So for me and the squad over here, man, love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.